Hey, what's up? It's Alex. In English, a lot of verbs add ed to the end to turn into the past tense, like want, wanted, laugh, laughed, play, played. How are you supposed to know how to pronounce that ed ending? It's actually all based on the last sound in the root word. First, if the root word ends in a d or t sound, then we add a new syllable, and it's pronounced id. Want, wanted, need, needed, end, ended. Now, if it's not t or d, we have to look at whether the sound is voiced or voiceless. The voiceless sounds are p, k, f, s, sh, and ch. P, k, f, s, sh, ch. Remember, t isn't part of that because t was part of the last rule. When that ed ending follows a voiceless sound, it's pronounced t. Help, helped. Look, looked. Laugh, laughed. Dance, danced. Wash, washed. Match, matched. All the other sounds are voiced, and so is every vowel. So after those sounds, the ed ending is pronounced d. Here are some examples. Play, played. Call, called. Learn, learned. Judge, judged. Here are some example sentences. After I cleaned the house, I watched a movie. We played loud music and danced all night.